a distant hum, traded concrete for the rising sun. Some folks doubted, said we never cope, but in our hearts we held on to hope. My beautiful wife by my side, so true, building this dream, me and you, from the ground up with our own two hands, learning this life across these lands.
Homestead Haven,
where our spirits roam
back to our roots,
making this our home,
fear in our eyes,
the strength in our soul,
watching our garden
and our futures grow. Raising chickens, tending to the soil, every day's a challenge, every day we toil. Self-sufficiency, that's the aim we chase, finding our freedom in this natural space. Should've done this long ago, hindsight's clear, but every moment brought us right here. DIY projects, a constant happy hum, organic goodness for everyone.
Williamshomestead,
where our spirits roam
back to our roots,
making this our home,
fear in our eyes,
but strength in our soul,
watching our garden
and our futures grow. From the city's rush to the land's embrace, finding our purpose, finding our place, living and learning with every new door. This homestead journey we're building upon.
Williamshomestead,
where our spirits roam
back to our roots,
making this our home,
fear in our eyes,
but strength in our soul,
watching our garden
and our futures grow. Homestead Haven, forever we'll strive. This is our life.